crazy planners, last-minute dropouts, silent participants. Every failed group plan has its own story, but the problems remain the same. Slow decisions, difference of opinion, endless chats, numerous spreadsheets. Ugh. Here's a platform that's reimagining the way groups create experiences together. Meet Flockngo. Organizing a trip with your friends? Need a pest control service along with your neighbors? Looking to buy golfing stuff with your fellow golfers? Flockngo makes group experiences easy. Decide what you need, add relevant information, and share it with your group. With features like polls, announcements, and easy payments, making group plans has never been easier. Guide your flock to reach the finish line as smoothly as possible. Bring your group together, create great experiences, and make it happen. Flockngo, experience together. Download the app. Available on Apple Store and Play Store.